Hey, welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you what I carry with me when I am flying. These are the items that I use from 𝗪𝗏 as my carry-on items. Now, raise your hand if you're an overpacker like me. So I can't help myself. Like, I dress by the mood, by my mood, and so I pack lots of things. So I have options when I get to my destination. Please tell me that I am not the only one. So I will always check a bag because of that reason, because I even take my pillow with me. I don't like hotel pillows. So I have a pillow that I keep in my closet that is just for travel. And so, I mean, takes up quite a bit of room in my bag as well. So I'll always check a bag with clothes. But I wanted to share with you some of the products that I take with me as a carry-on. So I will always have the boutique crossbody with me. This is it in the gray basket weave. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. I love the gray because it can go with so many colors. It's neutral and it matches my commuter backpack. But here it is in the gray basket weave, and you can see that I have an A on there in the white thread color. It does match that strap very, very nicely. And this letter is called the serif, S-E-R-I-F. But this has a pocket right here on the front. This does have an adjustable strap here, so I'll be wearing this crossbody for sure. Your passport can fit in here, and your phone. You can put your phone right here in the front. I prefer to have my phone actually zipped up, but you can put your phone right there in the front. And your boarding passes can go right here on the front too. And then on the inside of here, you can see that I have a nice big area, open area here. It does have two built-in card slots there, which are nice. So I would have my phone, my hand sanitizer, my chapstick, probably my car keys in here. What else? The 𝗪𝗂𝗍 wallet. This 𝗪𝗂𝗍 wallet. Here's the 𝗪𝗂𝗍 wallet in the line drawn flowers print, which is absolutely gorgeous. So you've got card slots here and here. On the back, you've got a place for your ID and another card slot here. You do have a little lobster claw, so if you wanted to hook this somewhere, you could. You could even hook this on the inside of the backpack. I'll show you that in a second. And then on the top, you can put your cash or your change in here, which is really very, very handy here. And then I don't take my Benjamin's wallet with me most of the time when I'm traveling, especially when I'm flying. I'll kind of condense my Benjamin's wallet into the 𝗪𝗂𝗍 wallet. I'll have my insurance card, a credit card, a debit card, and my license, and a little bit of cash there on the inside. So here's the 𝗪𝗂𝗍 wallet. So I'll have my backpack on. This is the commuter backpack in the Whisper Gray. And then I did the inner circle personalization in white. And then this is a charcoal A. So yeah, inner circle personalization. And I did the charcoal in A, or the A in charcoal. I love that this has a handle right here, so I can grab it up, or if I have it, it will fit under the seat in front of you, so you can grab the handle and pull it out. This does have a place for your water bottle. Here you've got pockets on both sides. The bottom is made of our vegan material. The top is kind of like a, I guess, I don't know which, I can't remember what you call that, a polyester. And then you do have a zipper pocket on the bottom. So this is actually a zipper pocket, and you could hook on one of our photo key fobs on there. On the back, you've got our padded backpack straps here. I love these straps because they're wide, so it helps distribute the weight on your shoulder, and they're padded. But one thing that's great about this, and especially if you do like a rolling carry-on, this has a trolley sleeve, so you could slide this over your luggage and just let it sit there. You don't have to hold it on your back, which I think is great. My daughter, oh, and it is adjustable. These are adjustable. But my daughter uses this commuter backpack every day for school. It's her school backpack. So hers is in black, and her favorite color is purple. So we did that inner circle personalization for her in the purple thread color. Now, one thing that I look for in a backpack is 2 zippers. If it does not have 2 zippers, it really drives me nuts, because I like to zip down, and when I'm done, I like to zip up on both sides. So this has a zipper on both sides, and I like that the flap opens up here so I can see what's in here. It opens up almost halfway, even I think actually a little bit more than halfway, and so I can see what's inside my bag, which I love. Here is one item that I will take with me when I am flying. This is the new lightweight blanket. It is, I don't know if you guys can like think that it feels so nice, but it does. I mean, it's hard to say. It's hard to feel, or hard to grasp the feel when you're just watching a video, but I think this is so great for travel. It's lightweight, but it will at least cover you up, and it fits very, very nicely. So here it is all the way, like, I mean, it's very, very large. And this is also great, like when you get to your destination and maybe you're sitting on the bed or sitting on the couch, maybe doing a little work like me, and you just need a little cover up. This is going to be your go-to. All right, next up in here, I have one of our reusable snack bags. Now, I will actually pack one of these. I should have got this. This is the smaller one. This is the small, this one's the medium. I'm actually leaving in a couple of days, and so I haven't quite finished packing yet, but I'll actually use the smaller one for my Propel packets, for my water and little liquid IVs, because you just never know when you're traveling, you get dehydrated. So I like to take those with me. So I would actually put those in the small reusable snack bag. And then in the medium one, you can see that I have my pens in here, highlighters and things like that. I actually did have the pens and stuff in this one, but it was just, they fit perfectly, but I just need, you know, when you open something up, you need room. You want to like open it way up and get out what you need. So the medium works I think works better than this, even though they fit. So, but you could also pack your snacks in here too. So grab a couple of extra of these to put your snacks in, because I take multiples of these for sure. Then I have one of our tapered pouches here with the wristlet strap. So this is a tapered pouch in the line drawn flowers print. And then I have a caramel wristlet strap on here. Now, I did that so in case I just need like a little clutch or something when I get there, I have something. But actually, I mean, I'm still packing with it. So on the inside of here, I have my charging cords. I have my AirPods. I even have this little thing from Amazon. One of my friends shared this, but it's like, it opens up like this, and you can put your phone, let's see. Oh yeah. You put your phone in here, and you can actually clip this to the tray table. And your phone can sit there. And there's another way. I always have to figure it out when I get on the plane, because every plane is different. But this is a super handy little thing to put your phone in here, and you can watch something on your phone if your airline doesn't have, but I can link this below. I'll have to find it on my Amazon. But anyways, okay, so I have all of my little charging things in here. Now the tapered pouch does have built-in card slots here. It does have that triangular bottom, so this can sit up just like that. So that's what I have in there. And then I have a zipper pouch. This is also in that line drawn flowers print. And in the zipper pouch, I actually have my charging cord for my laptop, a mouse. Like old school, I have to have a mouse. I cannot use that little finger pad thing. It drives me crazy. So I'm old school. I even have one of my little travel ring lights, so I can clip it on my phone in case I do a video for y'all. And I have a calculator in here because I'm all the time using my calculator to calculate your orders for you. And in my laptop charging cord. So I like that everything has a little zipper pouch. And then, hair in my mouth. I have my planner in here. And then on the back, you've got a place for your laptop. So I have a 15-inch laptop, and it's actually a perfect fit in there. So here's what I would look like if I am carrying my my backpack. So I'll have my backpack just like this, and I'm just going to kind of throw this stuff back in here. I'm just going to shove this blanket in here, okay? Because that's what probably you're going to do in the airline anyways when you're like getting off the flight. So I'll have my backpack on like this, and then I will wear my crossbody. So you'll see me walking through the airport just like this. I'm hands-free. I am watching my surroundings. I am not on my phone, and I'm just paying attention to everything. And I got elbows in case somebody tries to grab me, right? So it's super important to be alert. So you don't want to be distracted when you are walking through the airport or even walking to your car. So I hope that it was helpful to see how I am carrying these items with me when I am traveling. Also, I'll take a backpack with me if I am, you know, doing a road trip too. I'll take my boutique crossbody. I will take this with me to be, you know, condensed and everything. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new video, okay? And if you're watching today and you're in the United States and you do not have a 31 consultant, I would love to be your girl. So I'll link below my VIP group on Facebook. You can click to join, answer the 2 questions. I'll send you back a private message. So check those spam folders, message request folders, so you see that message from me. Also, if you're interested in joining 31, maybe making some extra money, having something for you, or just getting your hands on all the products and be in the know from the very beginning, I'd love to chat with you about the business opportunity with 31. Or if you were interested in hosting, I can set up a shopping link for you, and you can share that shopping link with your friends and your family and get the items on your wish list for free or for half price. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.